everyone, this is Bi-Neh with Family Travel Africa in our third video of kitchen chemistry. Have you ever wondered what cornstarch is? Is it corn or starch? And why does it look like flour? What about xanthan gum? That's the first time I've heard of it. And which one do you prefer? Dark chocolate or white chocolate? Let's find out the difference. Let's get the answers and more on this video of kitchen chemistry. So, what is cornstarch? Cornstarch is a carbonated extract from corn. It is used as a thickening agent in sauces and soups or gravy. It was first developed in 1844 in New Jersey and was first used as laundry aid and other things. It has no protein, so it is a gluten-free product and it is flavorless. So here I have, it's called Flawless, and this has cornstarch in it, and you spray it on your clothes, then you iron it. Okay. Cornstarch is different from corn flour, which is a finely ground cornmeal. What is xanthan gum? Xanthan gum is a chain of sugar building blocks made by fermenting simple sugars with a kind of bacteria. It is a thickening agent and stabilizes ingredients so they do not separate like oil in salad dressings. Here, I have salad dressings. And they say xanthan gum right here on the bottom. Well, you can't see that, but and here too. And without the xanthan gum and these salad dressings, the oil would separate, just like oil separates from water. Okay. Xanthan gum is also used to create texture in many ice creams and in toothpaste as a binder to keep it in uniform. Did somebody say it was National Ice Cream Day? I love ice cream. Cookies and cream, my favorite. Okay, back to the facts. It is used to making medicines. Gluten-free baking can use xanthan gum to give dough or batter its stickiness. We used this one to make a gluten-free naan bread for dinner for a friend. It was very yummy. I saved the best for last. Which one do you prefer? Dark chocolate or white chocolate? Let's find out the difference. What is the difference between white chocolate and dark chocolate? Dark chocolate is produced by adding cocoa butter to sugar and cocoa powder. There is no milk in dark chocolate. White chocolate contains cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids, but no cocoa powder or chocolate liquor, which means white chocolate is not chocolate at all, but it's still yummy. So essentially the difference is dark chocolate, cocoa powder. White chocolate, no cocoa powder. Okay, did you know 60% of cocoa pods in the world are produced in 2 African countries? Can you guess of those 2? Ivory Coast or Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana. And I just happen to have some chocolate from Ghana. Okay, how do you open this? Purple. My favorite color. Just eat this. Good. It's good. It has nuts in it, but it's good. Mama, why isn't this hard?
I'm guessing it's artisanal.
What's artisanal?
It's soft and chewy.
Yes.
Is it like a
You want
Hershey's
to try
cake?
one?
I'll try one. I'm gonna guess that this one has caramel. Either that one or this one. Actually, it tells you on the back of it, Bi-Neh. Did you read?
No.
Find the caramel one. That's the one I want. Which color is caramelly?
Orange.
Okay, we gotta go for orange. I'm gonna turn into gold. All right.
There's even a ginger flavor.
Ooh, we should try that.
Strawberry milk chocolate, mint flavored white chocolate, Irish cream. Is that caramel?
I think you gave me the ginger one.
Is it good?
It's definitely gingery.
Then this one is caramel.
I can't have two.
I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be looking forward to your comments in the sections below for my next episode of Kitchen Chemistry. I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.